A professional career program always begins with a question, what shall I become after graduation? Well, this question has several answers and depends upon the choice of the program. Students will be ready to step into the professional world with transformative educational experience after completing their BTech degree. In order to project into the same, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering at Rajdhani Institute of Science and Technology, Palakkad has started multiple racialized programs to cater to the present requirement of the society in a wider sense. Electronics and Communication Engineering is one of the highest emergent fields of engineering courses. The course idea is to focus largely on the communication part with the understanding of electronics field. Electronics and Communication Engineering deals with the electronic devices and software applications. Electronics and Communication Engineering is a branch of studies which deals with the science of electrons that covers a wide range of applications like television, radio, computers, telecommunications, etc., which make our life easier and enjoyable. ECE is the backbone of modern communication system which rules rocket science to the telecommunication. In the present day scenario, modern applications like Internet of Things, robotics and embedded systems are highly dependent on the knowledge of ECE. Nowadays, we are unable to think our daily life without electronics and communication engineering. As an example, it is very difficult to spend even a single day without mobile phone or television. The future of technology advancements is likely to depend on the developments in electronics and communication field. Electronics and communication are the two primary pillars of our society these days. In the coming years, the trend will continue and ECE will eventually emerge as one of the most prominent fields of engineering studies with substantial demand for ECE engineers all over the world. Over the years, communication and electronics have crept into our lives like never before. This change in the technological field has ensured a bright path ahead for ECE pursuers. With smartphones in our hand and widespread opportunities to communicate, electronics and communication engineering is the next best thing to rule the global market. ECE engineers are very much responsible to provide innovative solutions to meet the needs of our modern world. For that purpose, students need to develop their skills and knowledge to get a head start in an engineering career that requires specialist skills and adaptability. This 4-year program is designed to give the student an overall education in ECE as well as specialist knowledge in the fields such as Internet of Things, embedded systems and robotics. In a nutshell, one can say that the skills of ECE engineers in planning, executing the testing process, framing of the system layouts and delivering the end product in an excellent way to enhance their market value. This means that as an aspiring student of ECE, candidates need to ensure they select the right course in electronics and communication engineering in which they have interest and which offers better career options in the future. So, if you want to pursue a career that is dynamic, interesting, exciting as well as challenging, has great employment potential now and in future, then consider a degree in electronics and communication engineering.